Page 251, this is number 3 at the bottom of the page, is another lesson on harmonization. I'll use the same process I typically use in this kind of thing. As first, of course, you always look it over first. What key is it in, the time signature and all that. And I just want to hear the melody. Well, 3 sharps were in the key of A major. And the melody, 4/4 time. Okay, I think that may be a little fast, but it says moderato. To me, this is more like a gentle piece. I might slow that more like an andante, however. That's interpretation. Then the accompaniment. They're giving you a pattern, and it looks like it's two major patterns there. But first, I just want to know what the notes are, or the chords are, and I just do block chords. The left hand, again, is just playing the root of the chord. So we're A chord, one chord, A major, and then an E7. Well, an E7, that's an E7 chord. So that's what I'm going to do. So the bottom hand is going to play that. Sometimes in figuring out notes and leaving out notes, you have to consider what notes is a melody. If it's covering the note, you may not need it. So here, that's what they're sort of doing. Measure 6, it is a B minor with a D on the bottom. Well, first, what's B minor? B minor is that. Because B major is that. B minor, we want a minor third and a major third, so it's that. And they want the D on the bottom, so it's first inversion. So the left hand's going to do the D, and the right hand's going to do the other part, whatever the other part is, the other notes, in some arrangement. Pick an arrangement, I don't care, I'm easy. Sort of what the chords are. Then we try the arrangement, the pattern they have. That's there. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. See, this comes up when you play that. 1 and 2. Stay there. Back to the A. Stay there. Now it's D. Here it's a B minor chord. Okay. And the E7 like we did above. Like so. That's sort of the accompaniment they're suggesting. I suggest you try other patterns and see what else you can come up with. You could try a rolling pattern. Some pattern of broken chords that kind of make this flow. Oh, make it flow. The accompaniment should enhance or complete or complement the melody and the mood of the piece, the style, the atmosphere of it. So you're not going to, if it's flowing, you're not going to go, because that doesn't flow, that's bouncy and happy. No, that would be more like number 2 up above if you wanted to do something like that.